Hey guys, Steve Wees, PDS Equipment. I'm going to walk you through our PDS EZ Jig System. This is a system that allows you to build your own jigs in usually less than 10 minutes or less. First you're going to have to source the parts. You should be able to get all this stuff locally on Amazon, hardware store, any metal supply place. You guys with lasers and printers, all you guys are pretty creative, so just use your resources. Get these components and build your jigs instantly. We're going to be using raster link, and we're going to use jig print function to print our outlines on the bed, and then we're going to use a aluminum angle to make it precisely lined up. So I'm going to flip the camera. Here's our jig print. That's our jig print function. Okay, we're going to go up here. You have to name it. This one's named 22 ounce, 20 ounce, 32 portrait. The name doesn't really matter as long as you can identify it. And these are the dimensions I use for the 20 ounce tumblers. Okay, the 1.4 by 3.2, that's the size of each box. That doesn't mean my image can't be bigger than the box. That's just the box I'm lining up, because that's the sweet spot on the tumbler where I want to print. If I stay within those within that area, I should be able to produce a very good image. If you get any further than 2 inches, depending on the file, it can start getting a little fuzzy as it gets further away from the center of the cup. The size, that's my boxes. The count, that's how many rows. I've got 8 cups across, 4 up and down. The interval pitch, that's the gap between the cups. Okay, if you look at the layout, I'm telling my image to be top dead center. So each of these boxes, my image is going to be in the top center. So we'll go to the layout. Okay, it's showing 32 cups. So that means in this jig system, I'm going to produce 32 finished products every 9 minutes. And if you look at the file, this is for the APA show. Right now it's 1.8. Okay, if I make the file bigger, it can still print outside the box, but it's still going to center up perfectly within that print area. 2.8 is too big to not print on the flatbed, so we're going to go, I think 1.8, 1.75 is for this image, that was the best one we found. Okay, so that's what I wanted to look like, but first I got to print this outline on the print bed. So I'm going to go to this tab. It says print the jig outline. Okay, what that means is when I hit print, it's just going to print these squares. The whole bed's going to be covered up with the squares. Okay, once I print those squares on the bed, then now that's when I start using my EZ Jig System. Okay, we're going to come over here. This shows the areas I printed on the print bed. Okay, all I'm doing now is I got this is aluminum angle with Velcro. Same thing here. I've got a Velcro strip that's out of the image area, lined across the top and the bottom. So I'm going to take this and line them up. All right, see how simple that is? Now I've got the angle aluminum that's going to cradle the cup to keep it from wobbling or wiggling. You see the boxes. This box here, my image is going to line up dead center every time on this. I don't have to wonder if the cup's going to be in register or not. All right, guys, check it out. 32 tumblers every 9 minutes, okay? You can level out the bottom of these. I've got people that put weather stripping under it. I like this stuff. I like this, it's actually window caulking material, okay? Let's say this is low and I need to raise this cup up. All I gotta do is pinch this in and it automatically levels the cup for me. All right, guys, this PDS EZ Jig System, this is not an item that we're trying to sell. This is teaching you how to make your own jigs. Because with UV printing, you never know what's going to come in the door or what opportunities you're going to have. And to be forced to have to buy jigs for everything is not, you know, that's kind of frustrating. So we want to teach you how to make your own jigs with local supplies to where you're not, you know, you can just take care of your own business. So appreciate you guys watching the video. If anything I can do to help you guys, let me know. You know how we do it here. We say, once you learn all this stuff, now you just gotta go get it.